AirPlay 2 is Apple's wireless streaming technology that lets you mirror your iPhone screen to the Xumo Stream box. It wirelessly streams apps, photos, and videos to your TV. For mirroring to work, both your iPhone and Xumo Streambox need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 13 or later. To start mirroring, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Tap the screen mirroring button and select your Xumo Streambox from the list. You may see a passcode prompt for security. Enter the code shown on your TV to trust the connection. Once connected, your iPhone screen appears on the big screen. Having trouble with AirPlay? First, ensure both your iPhone and Xumo Streambox are on the same Wi-Fi network, preferably a 5 GHz network for smoother performance. Update both devices to the latest software. For app-specific content like Netflix or Disney Plus, use the app's built-in casting feature instead of full-screen mirroring due to DRM restrictions. If the connection drops, restart your router and devices. Experiencing lag? Try an Ethernet connection for the Xumo box. For optimal integration, use an iPhone running iOS 18 and a Xumo Streambox Pro model. If all else fails, consider using a third-party mirroring app.